Hello and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. We're passionate about providing you with practical tips for everyday living, empowering you to take control of your health one step at a time. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a topic that doesn't get enough attention: intestinal health. Many of us overlook the importance of keeping our intestines healthy. Yet these vital organs play a key role in our overall well-being, from digesting food and absorbing nutrients to supporting a robust immune system. So how can we ensure our intestines are in tip-top shape? One way is through the food we eat. Yes, you heard it right. Certain foods can boost the health of your intestines and protect them from damage. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Stay tuned as we dive into the 10 foods that can save your intestines from damage. Your intestines play a crucial role in your overall health. These long winding tubes are more than just a passageway for food. They're the site where the real magic happens, the breakdown of what you eat and drink into nutrients. Your body then absorbs these nutrients, providing the energy, growth, and cell repair necessary to keep you healthy and strong. But that's not all. Your intestines are also home to trillions of bacteria, a complex ecosystem referred to as the gut microbiome. These microscopic allies work hard to keep your immune system in check, protecting you from harmful pathogens. However, when your intestinal health suffers, problems can arise. You might experience issues like bloating, gas, and stomach pain, or even worse, chronic conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease can develop. Maintaining a healthy gut should be a priority for everyone. Now let's discover the foods that can help protect and heal your intestines. First on our list are fermented foods. Now you might be wondering, why fermented foods? Well, these culinary delights, which include foods like yogurt and kimchi, are packed with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that aid digestion and maintain a healthy gut flora. Let's take yogurt, for instance. Not only is it a delicious snack or breakfast staple, but it's also a probiotic powerhouse. Yogurt helps to balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut, aiding in digestion and overall gut health. Then there's kimchi, a staple in Korean cuisine. This spicy fermented cabbage is not only flavorful but also rich in probiotics. Regular consumption can help maintain a healthy digestive system. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet can be as simple as adding a dollop of yogurt to your morning smoothie or enjoying a side dish of kimchi with your dinner. So don't forget to include fermented foods in your diet. They're not just tasty, but they're also doing wonders for your gut. Next up are high-fiber foods. Foods rich in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, play a pivotal role in maintaining a healthy gut. Fiber is like the unsung hero of our digestive process. It adds bulk to our diet, aiding in the smooth movement of food through our digestive tract and helping prevent constipation. But the benefits don't stop there. Consuming high-fiber foods can also contribute to a healthy gut microbiota. These are the trillions of beneficial bacteria that call our intestines home. They feed on the fiber we consume, producing short-chain fatty acids that nourish our gut lining. This process can help reduce inflammation and may even protect against certain digestive disorders. Fruits like apples, pears, and berries are excellent sources of fiber, as are vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. And let's not forget whole grains like oats and brown rice. Make sure to get your daily dose of fiber for a healthy gut. Third on our list are lean proteins. These aren't just for building muscles, they're also champions for your gut health. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and tofu, play a vital role in maintaining and repairing intestinal tissues. Here's why they matter. Our intestines are lined with cells that are constantly regenerating. This rapid turnover requires a steady supply of building materials, and that's where protein comes in. It provides the necessary amino acids, which are the building blocks of these cells. Lean proteins are particularly beneficial because they're low in saturated fats. This makes them easier to digest and less likely to trigger inflammation in the gut. Moreover, lean proteins are versatile. You can grill a chicken breast, bake a fish fillet, or stir-fry tofu with your favorite veggies. You can even include them in your breakfast by adding a slice of turkey to your avocado toast. So remember to include lean proteins in your meals. It's a simple step that can make a big difference for your intestinal health. Next, we have 2 soothing foods, ginger and peppermint. These 2 foods are well known for their calming effects on the digestive system. Let's start with ginger. This root, with its distinct spicy and sweet flavor, is more than just a kitchen staple. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate gastrointestinal distress. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it's known to ease discomfort and promote the smooth passage of food through the digestive tract. Now let's move on to peppermint. This aromatic herb isn't just for freshening breath or flavoring your holiday sweets. Peppermint contains a compound called menthol, which has a relaxing effect on the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract. This can help ease symptoms like bloating, gas, and stomach cramps. It's like a soothing spa treatment, but for your intestines. So don't underestimate the power of these two natural remedies. Fruits, particularly bananas and apples, also make our list. Bananas are a great source of dietary fiber, which can ease digestion and help maintain a balanced gut environment. They're also rich in potassium, a mineral that's essential for proper cell function, including those in your gut. Not to mention, bananas are a natural prebiotic promoting the growth of good bacteria in your intestines. Turning our attention to apples, these juicy fruits are not just delicious but also packed with health benefits. Apples are rich in a type of fiber called pectin. Pectin is a complex carbohydrate, a soluble fiber that's metabolized by beneficial gut bacteria. This process produces short-chain fatty acids that nourish intestinal cells, reduce inflammation, and help maintain a healthy gut barrier. Furthermore, apples contain antioxidant compounds that can help protect your gut from oxidative stress and inflammation. So enjoy these fruits not just for their taste but also for their gut-protecting benefits. Last but not least, we have almonds, chia seeds, and olive oil. These three superfoods are power-packed with nutrients that are not only beneficial for your overall health but are particularly nurturing for your gut. Let's start with almonds. These crunchy delights are a source of prebiotic substances that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy balance. Almonds are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and prevents constipation. They also contain a significant amount of protein, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next up, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. They are high in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps to soften stools and promote regular bowel movements. Plus, they contain anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, which can help soothe an irritated gut. And finally, we come to olive oil. This golden liquid is full of monounsaturated fats, the kind that's good for your heart. But did you know it's also great for your gut? Olive oil has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe and protect the intestinal lining. It also aids in digestion by stimulating the production of bile, a substance that helps break down fats. Each of these superfoods provides unique benefits, but together they form a powerful trio for gut health. Almonds, with their prebiotics and fiber, promote a healthy gut environment. Chia seeds, with their high fiber content and anti-inflammatory properties, aid in digestion and soothe the gut. Olive oil, with its healthy fats and anti-inflammatory properties, aids in digestion and protects the gut lining. So make sure to incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Your gut will thank you, and remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy body. There you have it, 10 foods that can help save your intestines from damage. We've journeyed through the world of fermented foods with their beneficial probiotics. High-fiber foods that aid in digestion and lean proteins that are gentle on your gut. We've also explored the soothing properties of ginger and peppermint and the easy-to-digest benefits of bananas and apples. Stepping into the realm of nuts and seeds, we discovered the power of almonds and chia seeds packed with essential nutrients and fibers. Lastly, we highlighted the role of olive oil, a healthy fat that promotes gut health. Remember, these foods aren't just delicious. They are your allies in maintaining a healthy gut and, by extension, a healthier you. Ensuring these foods are part of your regular diet could mean the difference between a happy gut and a distressed one. Thank you for tuning into Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Until next time, stay healthy.